Hello everyone and welcome back to your 7-day spring challenge. Today we're just going to do a quick little evening stretchy sequence. So it'll work as well in the morning if you're doing this sequence, but it'll be perfect for if you've been walking around all day or if you're more open. We are generally more open towards the end of the day either way, or even if you have some sore muscles after working out. So we'll take it nice and gentle and just begin in a seat. It can be on the shins or it can be seated in Siddhasana or easy pose, just with the legs crossed in front of you. So wherever you are, take a few deep breaths. Find that length in the spine, roll the shoulder blades back and down. Not locking them back, but just gently bringing them back. Bring the hands in a comfortable position. And breathe all the way down to the stomach. Good, one more deep breath, just like this. And then from here, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the left arm down, reach the right arm up and over and find a stretch in that right side. So you can do this in any seated position. Good, inhale back to the middle and take it to the other side. Inhale to lift the arm and stretch. Inhale back to the middle. Exhale, bring those arms through the middle. And just press the palms together, bringing those shoulder blades back again. Deep breath. Create some energy here, really pressing, engaging the arms. Good, inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring those hands behind you, interlace the fingers, and just lift the chest nice and gentle. So not really engaging the arms or pressing too much, just nice and gently so that we're finding that opening in the chest and the shoulders, but not like forcing it down. Lovely little breeze. Good. Release the hands, roll the shoulders out just a little bit here. Good, and come on forwards into your tabletop position from whichever seat you're in. Deep breath here. So after walking around all day or in the morning, if you have stiff legs, the best thing to do is begin with some hip openers. So from here, we're just going to gently step the right foot forwards. Take your time to get here. Maybe you need to move back that left foot a little bit and sink down into the hips here. Find that nice opening low lunge. You should feel a stretch here across the hip flexors, maybe in the quad a bit. Deep breath. Good, from here, bring that right arm to the side again. We're gonna find another side bend. Lift the left arm up and over. If this is too much for you, you can bring the hand onto the knee. Good, bring it back down. Deep breath. Neutral position. Inhale, reach up. Press into that front leg a little bit, and left arm comes on the outside of the right leg. Right arm reaches up. Find that stretch in the psoas here, deepening into the hip flexors. Good, lower it back down, deep breath. Inhale, lift the chest, one last little stretch. Tuck the toes under, step it back to tabletop, and maybe shake the hips out a little bit. Good, from here, left foot forwards, deep breath. Enjoy that low lunge, sink the hips down. Not sure if the mic is picking it up, but there's some Swiss cows. You can hear their bells in a distant field. It's a really nice kind of addition to the atmospheric sounds. Good. From here, left arm onto the left leg. Inhale, right arm up and over. Inhale back to the middle. Exhale, hands down. Deep breath. And from here, inhale, rise up a little bit. Right hand on the outside of the right leg. Inhale, lift the left arm. Exhale, hands down. 1 or 2 more deep breaths here. Open the hip. Lift the chest forward. And then set or step that left leg back for your tabletop. Deep breath here. From here, bring the knees out a little bit wider. Sink back into a wide-legged child's pose. Walk the hands out and sink down. Deep breath. And inhale to rise up, tuck the toes under, and peel those hips up and back slowly, slowly, slowly into a wider legged downward dog. Deep breaths. From here, option 2, reach for the back foot. If not, maybe add a little bit of pedal. So left hand comes onto the right ankle. Try and twist that spine a little bit here. Back to the middle, other side. My hair may be going all funny here. Good, back to the middle, deep breath. Inhale, walk up between the hands, come into that halfway lift. Exhale to fold all the way down. Maybe grab the elbows, find that hamstring stretch. So it should be in the meat of the hamstrings here, not at the connections of the hamstrings. Try and find that stretch in the middle. Maybe you can find it in the calves. Shift your weight forwards towards the feet. Deep breath. Just release it out here. Good, inhale, lift halfway. Step just the left foot back. Maybe move the right foot forwards a little bit if you need that space. And try and extend the right leg. So if you are struggling here, you may need to come up into your lunge first, then extend the leg and hinge forwards. It's okay to keep a bend in the leg as well. We're just looking for a little bit more of an isolated stretch here in that right hamstring. Play around a bit here. Maybe come up onto the heel. See what works for you. Maybe fold further down towards the leg. Good, bend the right knee, 1 more breath. And then step the left leg forwards. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Two more deep breaths. Good. Inhale halfway again. Step the right leg back and either rise up to that high lunge or hang out here if you're already okay. Sink down towards the left leg. One more breath. Then And bend the left knee again. Step it back forwards, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Deep breath. One more breath. Good. From here, we're going to bring the feet together here, bring out the knees to the sides, try and sit on the toes here. See if that works for you. If not, you can take a seat already. If you're able to hold, then just take a breath wherever you are. Try and open the legs or the hips actively. Balance, balance. Good, place those hands down, place them behind you, take a seat on the mat. And keep one knee up, so for me it's the right knee, maybe pick the right knee as well. Left foot next to the right glutes. And inhale, bring the arms up. And exhale, take a gentle little twist here. So if you're having trouble, you can bring that foot a little bit closer to the other leg, no worries. We're just looking for the bend or the twist in the spine, that's the main goal here. Good. From here, extend that right leg out, left leg stays on the inside. Inhale to lift, and this is one of my favorite stretches. Exhale to fold. So maybe your hamstring will be a little open after doing pyramids, so see how you're feeling in this position. And try not to let the foot bend inward like mine just did. Try and point it forwards, kind of deepens the stretch. Good, inhale to lift. Right foot in. Bring that left foot in the upright position, right foot next to left glute. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Good, from here, left leg out, right foot on the inside of the left leg, inhale to lift, exhale, fold. 2 deep breaths. Point the foot forwards again. Just relax it out. That's kind of said often in yoga, just telling yourself to relax, but through stretching, through doing this, you're allowing yourself to find that time to release and let go. So if you're still not keeping track of your thoughts or holding some tension somewhere, then kind of reminding yourself to relax or to release can be that extra little push you need to fully let go after a busy day. So actively use your mindfulness. See what may be dragging you down and try and release it as we hold those poses. Sit here, watch your thoughts. Good, inhale, lift back up. Bring both feet together now. Hopefully my hair may be making a lot of noises on the mic, I apologize for that. Inhale, lift, and exhale, fold for a bound angle. Deep breath. Inhale, lift. Good, bring the legs together. Take a seat back on your back. And we'll just finish off with a little bit of an eye of the needle, one of my favorite hip stretches. So bring the left leg over the right, interlace the fingers either over the shin or behind the thigh, and pull it towards your body. Take this time to not only stretch the legs, but notice if your back is feeling a bit of a release here. If you're rounding, try and ground the tailbone. Let the shoulders release down. And revisit the breath, rescan the body. Release the foot, other side. Right leg over the left, pull it in. Deep breaths. One more. And release. Good job. Now feel free to stay here to enter into a Shavasana, just to finish releasing after your day or to begin your day. Times like doing a yoga sequence like this can be a really good way to set your mind, to prepare your body for whatever is to come, and to begin the day feeling less tense. Good. So again, hold this if you'd like. You can enter your Shavasana or come on up to seated. Good. To finish off, inhale, reach the arms up and bring the palms together through the middle. Take 2 deep breaths. And we'll finish there. I wish you a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for joining me. And thank yourself for doing this practice and releasing and relaxing. And I will see you tomorrow for another day of our 7-day challenge.